Terraria not launching on Steam can be frustrating. Most issues stem from a few common culprits. We'll cover the main reasons why this happens, including outdated system requirements, problems with Steam itself, conflicting mods, and basic computer maintenance issues. Understanding these causes is the first step to getting Terraria up and running. The first step in troubleshooting Terraria launch issues is to check if your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements. This ensures that your hardware and software are compatible with the game. Terraria requires specific minimum specifications to run properly. These include Windows 7 or later as the operating system, at least 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a graphics processing unit that supports DirectX 11. Let's highlight the key requirements. Windows 7 or newer, 2 gigabits of RAM, and a DirectX 11 compatible GPU. These are the minimum specs needed to run the game smoothly. To check if your computer meets these requirements, open the Settings app in Windows, go to System, then About. This will show your device specifications, including processor, RAM, and system type. Follow these simple steps. Press the Windows key +I to open Settings, navigate to System and then About, and review your device specifications to ensure they meet or exceed the minimum requirements. DirectX 11 support is crucial for Terraria. This image shows the features available in different DirectX versions. Make sure your GPU supports DirectX 11 for optimal performance. DirectX 11 offers advanced features like tessellation and shader model 5.0 that Terraria uses for its graphics. If your GPU doesn't support it, you may experience launch failures. An outdated .NET framework can prevent Terraria from launching. Use Windows features to check and enable the latest .NET Framework version. To update .NET Framework, search for Turn Windows Features On or Off in the Start menu, then check the boxes for .NET Framework 3.5 and the latest 4.x version. Missing Visual C++ redistributables can cause launch issues. Download and install the latest versions from Microsoft's website to ensure compatibility. Download the Visual C++ redistributables from Microsoft's official website. Install both the 64-bit and 32-bit versions to cover all possibilities. Corrupted game files are a frequent cause of launch failures in Terraria. Steam has a built-in tool to verify the integrity of your game files. Corrupted game files can prevent Terraria from launching properly. First, open your Steam client and find Terraria in your game library. Right-click on the game to open its menu. From the right-click menu, select Properties to open the Game Settings window. In the Properties window, click on the Local Files tab to access file management options. Finally, click the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Steam will scan your Terraria installation for missing or damaged files and automatically download replacements. This simple step often resolves the problem by ensuring all game files are intact. Terraria's modding community is fantastic, but mods can sometimes cause instability. If you're using tModLoader or other mods, try launching Terraria without them. Mods enhance gameplay with new items, bosses, and worlds, but they can conflict with the base game or each other, leading to launch failures. First, back up your Terraria saves. Copy your world files from the game's save folder to a safe location. Open tModLoader and go to the Mods menu. Uncheck all enabled mods to disable them. Try launching the game now. If it works, a mod is likely causing the issue. Re-enable mods one at a time, testing the launch after each. When it fails again, you found the conflicting mod. This process identifies which mod is causing the problem. Remember to always back up your saves before making changes. Outdated graphics drivers are a common culprit behind launch issues, especially after Windows updates. This ensures your GPU is properly communicating with the game. For NVIDIA GPUs, open GeForce Experience and check for updates. For AMD GPUs, visit the AMD website and download the latest drivers. For Intel GPUs, use the Intel Driver and Support Assistant or visit the website. Remember to restart your computer after updating drivers to apply changes. Sometimes, Steam needs elevated permissions to launch Terraria correctly. Try running Steam as an administrator. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or taskbar, then select Run as Administrator from the menu. Open Steam Settings, go to the In-Game tab, and uncheck Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game to disable the overlay temporarily. The Steam Overlay can occasionally interfere with the game. We'll show you how to disable the overlay temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. Terraria depends on Steam's services for launching and authentication. When Steam experiences outages, the game may fail to start. Cloud saves provide convenient backup but can sometimes cause problems. The game integrates with Steam's overlay for features like screenshots and chat and requires authentication to verify your ownership and access cloud features. Outages can prevent the game from connecting to Steam's servers, stopping launches entirely. For temporary fixes during outages, try running Steam with administrator privileges or disable the overlay temporarily. Cloud saves are helpful for backing up your game progress online, but synchronization errors can occasionally interfere with launching the game. To resolve cloud-related launch problems, disable Steam Cloud for Terraria in the game's properties. This prevents sync issues while you troubleshoot. Once Terraria launches successfully, you can re-enable cloud saves to resume automatic backups. Let's recap the troubleshooting steps we covered. Check system requirements, verify game files, disable mods, update drivers, and adjust Steam settings. For future prevention, keep your system up to date, back up your saves regularly, and be cautious when installing mods. Remember, the Terraria community is a great resource for support, so don't hesitate to ask for help.